Here we are again on another bike check. This time it's my Enduro race bike, and it's basically a Commencal Meta AM version 4.2, and the fork I'm using is a Lyrik Ultimate. The Wheelset, it's actually a Hope Pro 4 with CN spokes attached to a Spank Vibracore 350. This is the older one, and the rear shock I'm using a Super Deluxe RT. It's actually very good, and as you can see right now, I have an XTR crankset with a Saint pedal, flat pedals, XTR on the drivetrain. My rear derailleur, it's an 11-speed XTR, I believe it's an M9000. I have a SunRace 1146 Cogs. I have Saint disc brakes with XT rotors, all set up in tubeless. Assegai front and rear. That's the DH casing for both ends, just to make sure I won't get a flat. Have a lighting gear there. As you can see, I'm using Ergon GE1 Slim, and also the Easton Havoc handlebars. It's actually quite nice, good feeling. I'm using the Mondraker Stoic, or actually it's an Onoff Stoic 30mm with 35mm bar bore, and the dropper post I'm using is a Oneup dropper post. This is actually a 150mm dropper post, the version 2. It's a very cheap saddle, got it for 600 pesos. EC90, yes, from Lazada. And I'm using a Wolftooth lever for my dropper post, and also the same XOS bike computer. It's actually very good. You can upload right away to Strava. And as you can see, I have a small mount here for my GoPro, just to carry it to the top and put it on my helmet or on my chest mount. I have a multi-tool always on my bikes. Basically, it's an essential. If you're a biker, you need to have that. And as you can see, I also have the same water bottle from my hardtail, and just using an improvised, actually, just to make sure that this water bottle will fit, because it doesn't really accept, or the small version doesn't really accept bigger water bottles, so I had to improvise this. I'm actually gonna make another one because it's actually hitting my frame here, so I have to do it again. And I have an MRP bash and chain guide. It's an AMG. It's a trail chain guide, actually. Now I'm very lucky to have this bike, because most of the pieces of the bike are actually sponsored, and I'd like to thank them, everyone. You guys know who you are. I love you all. Thank you.